Hello, we're going to make ice cream today. Now, what you need for ice cream is milk, cream, vanilla, some salt, sugar, empty clean can, a plastic bag that you can zip up, and some ice. For the ice cream, let's make ice cream. Okay, so first of all, take your can. We're going to put in 100 milliliters of milk. Let's hope we've got enough here. 100. 100? Can you see? That's 100. 100 milliliters. Pour it in the can. Then 50 milliliters of cream. 50. That's the first one. Let's put it into here. It's like that. That's 50. 50 milliliters of cream. That looks good. So what else? Then we need 2 teaspoons of sugar. Here's sugar. 2 teaspoons. One. Oops. See, I'm going to make a mess here. In the garden, so I can make a mess of the floor. The ants will like that. 1, 2. Okay, there we go. And what else? Oh, 2 shakes of vanilla. Vanilla. That's vanilla. That's the flavoring. So 2 shakes. 1, 2. You put a little bit more than 2. Okay, what else? I think that's everything there. You put it in here. That's right. Okay, give it a good shake. Make it nice and tight. And shake, 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 shake. Mix it all up. Shake, 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 shake. It's getting hot now. That's with ice cream. You can shake this for about 1 minute. But I don't have time to do that because I want to finish this video. Let's see what it takes out. Yeah? Next, we need to make the freezer. We're going to use that with ice and this bag. I think in the book it used a big plastic bottle. You can use a plastic bottle, but this is the easy way. We'll open this one. I've got some ice here. Let's put some ice in. I don't know how much ice you need, but that should be plenty of ice. To make it super cold, you can put some salt. You need about 2 tablespoons of salt, but order them. Salt, 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 salt. That just makes it super cold. Then we're going to screw this in here. We're going to put this in the bag like this. Seal it up. Make sure there's no air. Flare out. There's my towel. Oh, I forgot to mention you need a towel. The reason for that is I'm going to wrap it up like this. So wrap it. Like this. And what you're going to do is shake, 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 like this. And you need to do this for 10 minutes. And then you can open it and get the ice cream out. So I'm going to pause this, but I'm going to do this for 10 minutes and I'll come back in 10 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Keep shaking. So, okay, I'm still here shaking away. One thing you can do is shake it on the, roll it on the table. I've been doing this for about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less. I don't know if it's ready. So we have a look if it's ready. Shake, 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 shake. So do this for like 10 minutes. And then you can open it up. So have a look, see if it's ready. See if I've done it enough. If not, I'll have to do it some more. So open it up here. Whoa, look at this. It's pretty cold. Open it up. Out there. Ooh, very cold. Now you'll know if it's done because if the top has got ice cream on it, it's done. Ice cream! I think it worked. Oh my goodness, it worked. Great. That was quick. A little bit less than 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to empty this out into the bowl here. Wow, it's very hard. Oh, very, very cold. Ooh. Try not to get the ice cream on the outside because on the outside it's all very salty on the ice. Oh my goodness. Ah. Cold. Try some more. Get a knife. No. hold it with this one here. This is showing I've had a good idea to get the knife out. Scrape it out. This is real ice cream. It's like Lady Borden. It's a church. See if we can get some of it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got a good shape. Oh yeah. That's a nice sound, isn't it? And the ice cream coming out. So you can get the ice cream out. It takes a while. Your hands get very cold. That's real ice cream. And just to finish it off, you can put on some sprinkles. You open up the sprinkles and pour it on, I guess. Don't need very many, just a little bit. Just to add a bit of flavour and interest. There's your ice cream. I've still got lots more left in here. I'm sure I'm going to get out. Okay, good luck making ice cream. The best part of learning English. I'm just going to finish this and eat it all. See you next time.